Self-destruct sequence activated.
Hey guys, what's going on? Josh bringing you another update for the Sweet Tooth project right now. You see that I happened to got the new motor in. I got it in yesterday, and you're probably wondering why it kind of went, why it's all backwards right now. But let me just show you guys this right here. This is the motor right here. It's I have to read it. A 3674, and it's a 2250 kV kilovolt, probably. I think, I'm not for sure. I'm trying to get this back. I'm trying to get everything back in line, but now I want to show you guys a little bit of what happened with the wiring right now. I got the wiring all bundled up. I did a test last night, and also the little gear that goes on the motor right here. This was actually the wrong one, so I had to drill it out just to make it fit, and I got it to fit. But the problem is, it did not want to go, and plus it basically got destroyed. But I do got another one coming, and it has more gears. But if we kind of take a look, if I hook this up right now, if we actually take a look at this, and also this battery does work for this motor right here. Okay, I got my controller on. Turn this on. Now you guys are not seeing this, but this is why I got the wires right here backwards. So let me go ahead, zoom this down a little bit, and you kind of heard that a little bit. There we go. We got working. Now the reason why I got the wires all backwards, because when I first put them in, it was going reverse, and when I was putting this in reverse, it actually went forward. So I don't know what happened, but when I took a look online, they actually got these two mixed up, which basically I just switched them around. So it all works good at the end. But also, this gear, however, this gear does not work. It's not compatible with this. So what I got one coming is a 21 teeth, and this one's an 18 or 17. I don't know. I'm not going to count it. But this, if you can hear that, it does not sound good. And I don't know why it sounds like that. And I just don't know why. But basically, when I first did it, I have the camera up a little bit more. Now, when I first did it, it was great. It ran real excellent. I can't wait to test drive this more with the body on it. And I figured out where I was going to put the little mount for this. I plan on putting it right here, because I got plenty of room anyway, but I couldn't fit it right here because of the size of the motor. Now here's the... Hey guys, I just want to go ahead and just quick the video a little bit right now of the footage you actually just saw was actually 6 days ago, And I got the car right here. It's all put back together right here. And also with the new gear right here. Also, I want to tell you guys a little something right now about the gear. This gear right here is a 7-tooth gear. And when it was in the car, and it was just grinding, it wasn't making a good contact, and it was not exactly that good. So what I happened to got, I actually got a 21 tooth one, and it actually fits the motor pretty good. I had to make some modifications to it to make it fit, but it fits. It all works. So what I'm going to show you, and also I even got the boxes right here. That this is what I use, all the stuff that I use right here to make this thing work. And I tell you what, I'm very happy with the results. I got the battery right here because, I mean, it's Sweet Tooth's truck. I mean, I have plenty of room for it. I don't need nothing right here to make that go down more. And plus, I decided to go ahead and use this battery right here. I mean, it's not exactly that bad for me to actually have this kind of a battery. It's easy for me to strap in. I can have this right down here so I can plug it in or charge it. So I'll go ahead and plug this in and turn on this, and we will see this thing run. So far, nothing. It's not shooting across the other room. So I want to go ahead and do some tests right now. And we'll go ahead and... Alright, it's turning. And now let's go ahead and see if it goes. Now, I can't remember if I actually set it into the footage before, because actually I have the footage saved, I just can't remember. But these wires right here, they were switched, so I just switched them. It'll be a lot easier for me just to solder them on and all that. So that's why I got it right here. But and it doesn't make that crack noise. It's not rubbing up against the other gear and grinding gears. It's not doing that. All right. Now we actually got this fully working, and it's working excellent. For a first ground up, it's actually my first time doing this. Now, if I actually turn the controller off, it goes a little hollow, a little wired. It just goes crazy. So, yeah, there we go. Now, if you guys want to see the test drive of this right here, I'll pick a nice day that's not raining or cold outside. But if you guys want to see the test drive of this, let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see this thing run. And we'll see how fast this thing drives. And, yeah, we'll have some fun with this. Now, as for the body itself, it's actually coming a lot excellent. Actually, you see it right back there that I got some improvements with it. I sand some parts, and also I even cut the windows out. I still got to sand the windows, but the whole body is completely sanded. The holes are drilled on both sides right there. And yeah, it's basically pretty much. Oh, matter of fact, before I actually end this video, I think you guys want to see this. This here, I cut these out for the headlights because they were. Now, I didn't want them to be exactly clean because this is twisted metal. It's supposed to be like rushed and like messy looking. And basically, I'm going to weather this a little bit. I almost dropped this. Now, if I actually put this on right here, now you guys are starting to see the actual shape of the truck. So I hope you guys like the video. And don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And just be on look forward to a future video. A future 200 subscriber project will be the MRS Titanic 1/200 scale model that we will be building. But also it's going to be a RC. So be on the lookout for that in the future video once we hit 200 subscribers. Take care, you guys, and stay safe out there, and take care.